Hey guys, Harper, I'm back. I was cutting grass, and I got done early, so I was gonna try to make this very, very clean under. Not very, very clean, I'm not one of the city boys. Which, as you can see, there's still some stuff. I got some more, but like over there, I need to do some work. I've been trying to get stuff done. Well, I'm gonna say we'll call it that. But yeah, that's what we were dealing with. Don't mind that piece of metal. I was using that, but that was disgusting. Was not nothing that you want to have under your lawnmower because it will clog up like your blades. You want to get that mess out. See, I was using my hands, but you want to get some of that stuff out just for future reference. You want to make sure everything is clean, not all filthy, clogged, or anything like that. You want to make sure it's awesome. Oh crap! But if it's not clean, it's probably gonna clog up at some time. I will do the same for my bush hog, 2 of my bush hogs, and my papa's bush hogs. But anything like that, you do want to make sure is really nice and clean. See y'all later. Subscribe.